Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Outlook and going straight to Mail. Pick the folder you use daily. Once done, make sure the reading pane is visible so conversation indicators appear. This helps you scan threads at a glance. Next, check you're in the correct account or profile, otherwise you'll toggle settings in the wrong place. This keeps changes localized and prevents confusion. Now that Mail and the pane are ready, move to the View options to enable conversations. You click View on the ribbon and activate Show as Conversations. Outlook will ask whether to apply to this folder or all mailboxes, so pick what fits your workflow. Once conversations are enabled, open Conversation Settings to control threading behavior. Show messages from other folders, use newest messages on top, and expand or collapse conversations automatically. This lets you tailor the view to reduce clutter. Make sure you test with a multi-reply thread to confirm messages group correctly. You finish by refining conversation settings. Choose newest messages on top if you want quick context and include subfolders when needed. If threads fail to group, inspect the messages. Conversations rely on subject lines and in reply to headers, so edited subjects break grouping. Make sure replies keep the original subject. If problems persist, restart Outlook, then rebuild the search index or run Office Repair. These steps resolve corrupted view settings. One last tip: avoid changing subjects mid-thread to keep conversations intact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.